in the belly.
Chris?
What's that globe for? Jacob. What's that globe for on the side of the tree?
Maybe that's the only place the carries them.
What
What's
was?
that globe for on the side of the tree? Dad, stop recording me.
What?
Stop recording me.
All of my stuff is all really boxes too. I mean, I'm always too, yeah.
Christmas?
Nice to put by your tree.
2008?
Yeah, put something in their hand, a candy cane, a little basket. What is he doing? Smile, you're on him.
I wonder if she's going to keep her
Did they give me an Allen key for that?
They remodeled the house.
I don't know if they gave you an Allen key.
Did they give me an Allen key for this, or?
I don't know.
I'm trying to figure out what's. That's pretty bad.
Maybe it's in the. Maybe it's in these.
Is it?
I don't know.
Let's take a look. What the hell we got going on here?
So are you putting this together?
I'm trying to, man. Sure trying to do it. I don't know if it's working out. I'm trying to find basically some type of Allen key device for the nut, which
It looks like you did a pretty good job here so far.
yeah, not too bad.
Why are those handlebars down?
I got change. I need an Allen key.
I'm so happy for my son.
Do you have
he has
a,
a bike that he's going to do some traveling with. He will be going cross country, and
I just need an
we have
Allen
to keep
key.
in touch
Yeah, I
with
have Allen key.
him. All we ask is a
He's saying-
postcard from wherever he
Yeah, I
is.
got Allen
Thank
keys
you.
for him.
Do you?
Your dad, he said he has.
I got them.
Where are they?
I don't know. You got to go get them. You got to get them, Warren.
Stop yelling.
Hey, Lizzie, do you like that?
There's Allen keys here.
We're out in the garage.
Yeah.
So that's basically the holdup right now.
Yeah, basically.
I think they're in one of those metal toolboxes under the bench.
Yeah, basically right now, I'm trying to get
Are you shooting a video?
an Allen key.
It looks like you got a pretty good job done.
That's a pretty cool little device.
Isn't it?
Yeah.